Back pain treatment options. Back pain complaints are rising even in the younger population, mostly because of the sedentary lifestyle and bad ergonomics. If you want to know more about the causes of back pain, then you can watch a previous video on the topic. You can find the link in the description box below. But today, we are going to specifically talk about the treatment options for back pain. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Shweta Sankanur and I'm a practicing pain physician. And we aim to spread awareness about pain management through videos we publish on our channel. So please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nowadays, there are several modalities available to treat back pain. I'll divide them in three parts so that it's easy for you to understand. These three categories are non-invasive, minimally invasive, and invasive or surgical treatment options. So let's discuss these one by one. First, the non-invasive option. This includes rest and TLC. Your body is a natural healer. Proper rest along with heat or ice therapy can often be the first line of defense against acute back pain. Next, the medications. Over-the-counter pain medications and anti-inflammatories can offer temporary relief, but consult your doctor for appropriate use. Physical therapy. Strengthening core muscles, stretching, and learning proper posture become your allies in building long-term back support. Next, moving on to the minimally invasive techniques. These procedures now don't need any major downtime like surgery and are office-based procedures. This means that you don't need to get admitted to the hospital or take leave from work. Although post-treatment instructions given by the pain physician must be adhered to so as to get the maximum benefit without any complications. These are injections, precise injections of anti-inflammatory steroids or cortisone in the target-specific areas help treat your pain. Nerve blocks. Interrupting pain signals with temporary nerve blocks provides targeted pain relief, allowing for further investigation or treatment. Radiofrequency ablation. Heating specific nerve which causes the pain can offer long-term pain relief by disrupting the pain signals. Now, let's talk about the surgical options. When non-invasive or minimally invasive techniques fail to give you relief from back pain, surgical options can come to the rescue. Disc repair. For herniated or damaged discs, minimally invasive or open surgery can repair the tissue and alleviate pain. Spinal decompression. Enlarging the spinal canal through surgery can relieve pressure on the nerves, providing pain relief for spinal canal stenosis. Fusion. In rare cases, fusing vertebrae together can stabilize the spine and address the chronic pain from instability. Now, if you ask me which is the best treatment option, then the answer cannot be one. The severity, the level of the disease varies from person to person. There is no one size fits all for back pain. It's a journey of collaboration between you and your doctor. Discuss your medical history, lifestyle, and treatment preferences with your doctor to build a personalized plan for you. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment box below. And if you like, do share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.